All right, eighth grade English. This is your grammar for the week. It is called May I Quote You? All right, we are going to be adding some quotations to some sentences. Now, if you're watching this video, I'm not going to make you rewrite the sentences. You just have to add them in color to the lines. And the first one's been done for you. If the sentence is correct, do nothing. So when I look at number 1, it says, "What is the bizarre thing upon your head?" "It looks like an octopus," said Mr. Grimy. So they put quotation starting at what, and it ends at octopus, and it's because it's exactly what he said. If you look at number 2, the teacher told the students to read the poem The Raven by Friday. Well, The Raven is the title, so it is in quotation marks. If you look at number 3, I'm going to make it a little bigger. "I call my sister Idget, but I have no idea why." Now, I got my quotations to be in red, so it stands out a little bit more. I'm going to actually put quotations around the word Idget because it is a special name. You don't have to write that, but I'm just going to put it down so you understand why. When you look at number 4, it says, "Hey, Jacques shouted, 'Didn't you hear the coach? He said, stop when you get to the fence.'" That is a correct way to do it because Jacques shouted, "Hey." He shouted, "Didn't you hear the coach? He said," now he's quoting what the coach said, so it's a single quote. "Stop when you get to the fence" is end quote, end quote. Number 5, it says, "And then I will cover you with fragrant rose petals," Mama said, and sing a lullaby. So I'm going to make this a little bigger, and so we can get the whole thing in here. Now, Mama said, that means we're going to put quotations around exactly what Mama said. So I'm going to put the quotation marks there. Number 6, I found a book that said dinosaurs may be more closely related to birds than to lizards. Now, notice it said. It's exactly what was in the book. So I got to quote it. Number 7, we have family nicknames. My brother's name is Greasy Bear. It is in quotations because it is a special name. When you look at number 8, it says, "Did you hear what Nicole said?" Amy asked us. Well, that's exactly what Amy said. She said, "You guys," that's a single quote, "are just too chicken to try it." And that's the end of her quote. And then the second quote. All right. So you've got 9 through 15 to do. There are 2 sentences. No, excuse me. From 9 to 15, there are 3 sentences that need quotes. Okay. The other ones are correct. So you just have to find the 3 that you need to add quotes to, add them to the line. You don't have to rewrite those sentences since you're watching the video. And then when you are finished, don't forget to submit to me. Good luck and have fun.